Hello everyone, welcome to Sleeping Dogs. I'm gonna be showing you a little airwalking glitch that I found. So here we go. So you need to come to this area right here on the map, right next to the Golden Night Market. Actually right across from your little parking garage right here. You come up the stairs. You're gonna climb up on this little ledge. You're gonna walk down this way until you get a climbing icon and then go up. And then you should be walking on air. And if you try it on the opposite side, you'll see that that's actually is a glitch because you don't walk on air on this side over here. See, you just walk on the ground. But the funniest part for me is climb up there. What the hell? What the hell? The icon's right there. I guess you're not supposed to be in this area. There we go. Oh shit, it's the police. I got to go to the glitch. No, don't you tackle me, you son of a bitch. No. I said no. I will not go out like that. No. No, I will not surrender. Oh, I'm walking on air, bitches. Get my gun out. What's up? Can I shoot through the gate? Nope. Biatch. I think this is a good safe spot right here. Yeah, they can't hit me. Yeah, this is a really good spot for police shootouts. As you can see, they can't even hit me with their bullets unless I run up there. Oh shit, where they at? Die, bitch. I need to go back down there. I think yeah, I need to get more ammo. Oh shit. Oh, I need a gun. Hurry up, get over there. Ammo. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, go, 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 go. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy the glitch. Have fun with it. Yeah.